Hello, welcome to my channel. As you can tell, we have been doing a lot, a very lot. And if you like what you see, let me know. I'll be making a whole bunch of different videos, and then when I get this up and running, I'm going to try to have live streaming of me working on appliances when I'm here. But as you can tell, we got a lot of going on right now. We got a pile of old wood. We've got way up that way. We still got a little bit right there, but there's a pipe right there, so we got to be careful around the gas pipe. But all the way down, we got that's one piece right there, and it don't look like it's bad, but we will find out when we get into it. I'm getting ready to cut a line down the wall and back up and see how bad we are in there, and then I'm getting ready to do it in here too. But I don't. Some of it needs it, some of them don't. Probably have to take all these plugs things apart because I don't know if my blade or my saw will get right where I want it at. I have to see. What? Yeah, bottom of your boots. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. There's too much glass and stuff on this floor. You want to make a bet? There's a lot of different things, and then our little hole here, as you can tell, there's a lot of mold down in there. So I got to cut inside too, all the way down. That one don't look too bad. There's a little bit down that way. But the most part I'm worried about is right there where it comes down in between them two walls. And there's a spot right up here, so I'm thinking it might be pretty bad in this room right here. I might have to take this whole piece out because it looks like it, yeah. I can already see the mold already down the wall. And it might be on this one too. I can't tell if I painted it. The grasshopper. This floor is nasty. Where's bad looking in here? There's no, there's no switch or nothing on this one. I'm guessing the switch is. I'm guessing that's what that switch is for. I don't know, not at all. As you can see, all this down here is pretty rotted. So I'm gonna have to cut it along there too and see how bad it is. There it is. Looks like some water's coming from down in there, maybe up there. Let me take you guys up the stairs and show you up there. But after I get this all fixed up, this will be my main business for my appliance business. This is a little little kitchen area, and hopefully I can get it up and running and have no problems with it. Nice little stairwell. I mean, you can see out pretty far out through up here. I mean, it's, got quite a bit of space, but you can see where it's lagging at right through there, and then coming up this way more and more. Ooh, that one step is bad. And the step that is really bad. And then the ceiling where it's nice and soft coming in. Let's see, I think that's my gas line right here. And let's see, I don't want too bad over there. A lot of water damage there. I have no idea what that is. No idea what that is. That looks like that's been wet there. Yeah, it's been wet right here. That's probably why they reimbursed it for too. And that looks goofy over there. Hey, that looks pretty cool looking though. I have no idea what that is. What do you think that is? And then there's a lot of old stuff up here. There's bills and everything else up here from this building. There's a fan there. That shelves. There's another last little window thing there. That's where the power comes in at from outside. It looks like cable there. Yeah, that's pretty bad right there. That is pretty bad right there. And so is that spot. And that's where the power comes in at. For this building. You think that bucket's got anything in it? Huh. That's next to it. I don't know what's over there. I'm walking around this way now. I'm not walking back that way. And that way is a little bit more scary over there. Somebody's got a chair. Let me sit back up here. And then there's more of these boxes up here. I'm not for sure what they are. There's a whole bunch of these papers in these things. I don't know what they are. There's a lot of them up here. There's a boot. There's another whole bunch of all that stuff up here. I have no idea what all this stuff is. Now I got a lot of ceiling to repair. There's a bag. There's so much stuff up here. And this wall. But I'm trying to get it all up and running, things repaired, and and what I understand on the roof. That one is bad. I understand on the roof that it's not too bad, but there is, bad enough where it leaks back this way on this back side. As you can tell, it leaks more back this way. Well, it's like a I forgot what it's like, but It's, hard paper type deal. Stuff they have on it. Let's see if I can show it without recording anybody. Well, this is what it looks like on the back side of the building. So I got a lot of work, and my helper, he kind of replaced this, so we got to take some of the stuff he left outside and bring it back in with all the bees flying around too. Keep some of this stuff here, and then some of the other stuff's gonna have to get rid of. But at least I know it can shut and lock, but other than that, yeah. And there's still a long ways to go to get it up to being where I can use it for my appliance business. But we will get it going somehow, some way. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me. Turn notifications on. And hopefully y'all have a good day.